In this short video, I'll show you how to reset the service light on a Mercedes-Benz A-Class W168. No special tools needed, just follow the steps carefully, and you'll have it done in less than a minute. Turn the key to position 2, and immediately press odometer button twice within the space of 1 second. Turn the key to position 0. Press and hold odometer button. Turn the key to position 2. Keep odometer button pressed. Service message with current remaining distance or remaining time appears. After about 10 seconds, an acoustic signal will sound, and the service display with the new starting distance or starting time appears. That's it, your service reminder is now reset. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share. And check out my channel for more DIY car repair videos. Subscribe for more quick and simple fixes. See you in the next one.